Imagine an animal that drifts through the ocean with no brain, no heart, and not a single bone in its body, yet it moves with a quiet, mesmerizing grace. It has no eyes to see, no ears to hear, and yet it senses the world in ways we are only beginning to understand. Despite their apparent simplicity, jellyfish are very much alive, thriving in every ocean on Earth, from the sunlit surface to the darkest depths. These remarkable creatures have existed for over 500 million years, surviving mass extinctions that wiped out nearly all other life forms. They are living fossils, a direct link to the earliest days of animal evolution. Some species glow with an ethereal light in the deep sea, using bioluminescence to attract prey or ward off predators, while others, like the infamous box jellyfish, carry venom so potent it can stop a human heart in minutes. And in a feat that seems almost magical, one species, the so-called immortal jellyfish, can adapt and to reverse its aging process, essentially cheating death and starting its life cycle anew. These are jellyfish, ancient, mysterious, and among the simplest yet most successful organisms on Earth, adapting to changes that have defeated countless other species. Their existence challenges our ideas about survival. How can something so delicate, so seemingly defenseless, persist through the ages and thrive in such a harsh world? Jellyfish are not just passive drifters, they are active hunters, using their stinging tentacles to capture prey and defend themselves, proving their resilience time and again. Their story is deeply intertwined with the history of life itself, a testament to nature's creativity and persistence. As their numbers grow in today's changing oceans, jellyfish remind us of nature's power, adaptability, and the unexpected ways life can flourish. To understand jellyfish is to glimpse the dawn of animal life, an era when the first creatures began to swim, hunt, and survive. And perhaps by studying them, we can better understand the future of our oceans and the enduring mysteries of life itself. So, what is a jellyfish? Despite the name, it's not a fish at all. Jellyfish belong to the ancient group Cnidaria, alongside sea anemones and corals. Their bodies are simple, two cell layers with a jelly-like mesoglea in between, forming a bell-shaped medusa. Tentacles hang from the bell, armed with stinging cells to capture prey, while oral arms transport food to a single opening. Lacking complex organs, jellyfish thrive in low-oxygen zones where fish can't survive. Their bodies are neutrally buoyant, allowing effortless drifting and subtle navigation. They sense and react to their world through a nerve network, not a brain. This minimalist design is the secret to their long evolutionary success. Jellyfish have survived for at least 500 million years, making them one of the oldest living creatures on our planet. They appeared in Earth's oceans long before trees, insects, or even dinosaurs existed, thriving in a world that looked nothing like today. Their simple, efficient body plan and low-energy lifestyle have helped them endure multiple mass extinctions that wiped out countless more complex animals. Unlike many sea creatures, jellyfish can thrive in low-oxygen waters and eat almost anything, from tiny plankton to small fish, giving them a unique edge in harsh environments. Their two-part life cycle, stationary polyp and free-swimming medusa, makes them incredibly resilient, allowing populations to bounce back after tough times. Polyps can clone themselves and survive dormant for years, patiently waiting for the right conditions to return before bursting into new generations of jellyfish. This remarkable adaptability has allowed jellyfish to persist and even flourish, while other ancient creatures vanished forever from the fossil record. Their reign is a story of survival through simplicity and flexibility, not dominance or intelligence, proving that sometimes less really is more. Jellyfish are living links to Earth's deep past, and their quiet endurance is a powerful lesson in what it truly means to survive across the ages. Jellyfish navigate, hunt, and reproduce without a brain, thanks to a decentralized nerve net. This web of nerve cells allows direct, instant reactions. If a tentacle touches prey, stinging cells fire immediately. There's no single point of failure. Even if part of the jellyfish is lost, the rest keeps functioning. Sensory structures called rhopalia help jellyfish sense gravity and control their pulsing movement. Their nerve net is a masterpiece of efficient, decentralized control. No thought, just pure reaction. This system enables coordinated swimming, hunting, and escape responses without consciousness. Jellyfish prove that survival doesn't require intelligence, just resilience and the right toolkit. Their brainless existence has worked for 500 million years. Most jellyfish sense only light and dark, but box jellyfish are different. They have 24 eyes, some with lenses and retinas like ours, grouped in 4 clusters called rhopalia. Despite lacking a brain, their eyes detect crucial cues for survival, especially in complex mangrove habitats. Upper eyes help them stay in the shade where prey is abundant. Lower eyes spot obstacles. Their vision is reflexive. Visual signals trigger immediate changes in swimming. No thinking required. This challenges our assumptions. Complex eyes don't always mean complex brains. Box jellyfish are a puzzle, showing how simple networks can produce sophisticated behavior. They remind us that evolution finds creative solutions beyond our imagination. A jellyfish is mostly water, up to 98%, making it nearly invisible and perfectly buoyant. This allows effortless drifting and rapid growth when food is plentiful, leading to massive blooms. Their transparency is camouflage, helping them avoid predators and sneak up on prey. Despite their delicate look, jellyfish are flexible and resilient, absorbing impacts without injury. Their bodies are cheap to build and maintain, giving them a competitive edge over more complex animals. Jellyfish can quickly dominate ecosystems, especially when conditions favor rapid reproduction. Their ghostly form is a survival tool in the open ocean. Simplicity and adaptation have made them masters of the sea. Jellyfish tentacles are armed with millions of stinging cells called nematocysts, each a tiny venomous harpoon. These cells fire on contact, injecting venom in microseconds, one of the fastest actions in nature. The venom can paralyze or kill prey instantly, and for humans, stings range from mild to deadly. Some toxins attack nerves, others, the heart or blood cells. The box jellyfish's sting can kill in minutes. Even dead jellyfish can sting, as nematocysts remain active for days. This autonomous weapon is a marvel of evolutionary engineering. The jellyfish's sting is both beautiful and terrifying, a simple creature with a powerful defense. It's a reminder of the hidden dangers in the ocean's depths. The immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, can reverse its aging process and start life anew. When threatened or old, it transforms back into a polyp, essentially becoming young again. This process, called transdifferentiation, allows it to bypass death from old age. The cycle can repeat endlessly, making it biologically immortal, though not invincible to predators or disease. Scientists study this jellyfish for clues to aging and regeneration. Its cells can revert to a stem cell-like state, then become any needed cell type. The immortal jellyfish challenges our understanding of life and death. It's a symbol of nature's capacity for innovation and a hint at what might be possible in the future. Jellyfish have long existed in balance with marine life, but human activity is tipping the scales. Warmer oceans, overfishing, and pollution are causing massive jellyfish blooms worldwide. Overfishing removes their predators and competitors, while pollution creates low oxygen zones where jellyfish thrive. Artificial structures give polyps more places to grow, boosting their numbers. These blooms clog power plants, devastate fisheries, and disrupt ecosystems. Jellyfish are opportunistic survivors, thriving in disturbed environments. Their rise is a warning. We're transforming vibrant oceans into simpler, less productive systems. The jellyfish bloom is a silent alarm for the health of our seas. Let's meet 10 remarkable jellyfish. The moon jellyfish, Aurelia aurita, is the classic aquarium species, gentle and iconic. The Australian box jellyfish, Chironex fleckeri, is the most venomous with a sting fatal to humans. The immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, can reverse aging, challenging our ideas about mortality. The lion's mane jellyfish, Cyanea capillata, is the largest, with tentacles longer than a blue whale. The Irukandji jellyfish, Carukia barnesi, is tiny, but causes severe mysterious symptoms. The cannonball jellyfish, Stomalophus meleagris, is harvested for food in Asia. The flower hat jelly, Olindius formosus, dazzles with fluorescent tentacles. Nomura's jellyfish, Nemopolema nomurai, forms giant blooms that disrupt fisheries. The Atolla jellyfish, Atolla wyvillei, uses bioluminescent flashes as a deep-sea alarm. Nettle jellyfish, Chrysara acleos. Now this isn't your everyday jelly bobbing about in a rock pool. The Black Sea nettle is a deep-sea enigma, hiding its secrets far beneath the waves. And honestly, even the best marine biologists are still scratching their heads about it. Picture this, a jellyfish so rare that after it was first named in the late 1990s, barely anyone saw it again for years. We're talking about a creature with a bell that can stretch over a meter across, trailing tentacles that dangle for more than 5 meters, longer than a London bus. Its body is a deep, dark purple, making it nearly invisible in the gloom of its Pacific home. Chrysaora acleos isn't just rare, it's almost a scientific ghost. Researchers know shockingly little about its life cycle, what it munches on, or what it's up to down there in the darkness. Most sightings are pure luck. Fishermen, divers, or the odd submersible, all catching a fleeting glimpse. So, why does this matter? Well, the Black Sea nettle could hold the key to understanding how animals adapt to extreme ocean depths, cold, crushing pressure and zero light. Its unusual venom is another big question mark. While most jellyfish stings range from bit of a bother to call an ambulance, no one's entirely sure what the Black Sea nettle's venom can do. There's a chance it could inspire new medicines, if only we could study it properly. Jellyfish are the ultimate evolutionary winners, thriving in the changing oceans we've created. For millions of years they have survived dramatic shifts in climate and mass extinctions, adapting to every challenge the planet has thrown their way. While complex animals struggle, jellyfish flourish, filling the void left by our actions. As overfishing and pollution reduce the numbers of other marine creatures, jellyfish populations explode, taking advantage of the new opportunities. Their rise isn't an invasion, but a response to a world we've altered. They thrive in waters where few others can survive, gliding through environments tainted by human impact. In a future ocean, jellyfish may dominate, showing that evolution favors what works, not what's smartest. Their simple bodies and ancient design have proven to be incredibly effective, outlasting countless other species. Their story is a lesson in humility. Resilience often comes from simplicity, not strength. Jellyfish remind us that survival isn't always about being the biggest or the most intelligent, but about being able to adapt and endure. Jellyfish are living relics from the dawn of animal life, silent witnesses to history. They have watched the rise and fall of countless creatures, persisting through ages of change. As they drift on, they remind us that the most enduring life forms are often the most adaptable. Their ability to survive in even the harshest conditions is a testament to the power of adaptation. In their simple existence, jellyfish may have already won the final chapter in the story of life on Earth. Their quiet persistence is a powerful symbol of nature's ability to endure, long after others have faded away. If you found this information as fascinating and eye-opening as I do, then don't hesitate to smash that subscribe button for even more captivating science content.